Hello, so today we're playing Teardown. This map is called Cyberpunk, and I'm gonna be spinning the wheel to see what I can use. So, let's spin. And then I got Meta Blade and of this, and then Meta Blade, and then I could attack stuff like this person. I'm sorry, didn't mean to do that. So, yeah.
Don't follow me.
Don't follow you. I'm not listening to it, idiot. I hate that car. Car bus. You have some sushi? Can I borrow some sushi? I wanna borrow some sushi. How do you open this thing? Yeah, this is stupid. Finally, got some sushi. Okay, I'm gonna spin the wheel. Spinny. Wonder what I'm gonna get. No way, I just got airstrike. I just got the airstrike. I just got airstrike. I'm looking for the airstrike. Hello. Ooh. Ooh. I hate Labubus. I don't even know if that's a Labubu, but yeah. I'm not. But yeah, no idea on moves like that, but yeah. Yeah, I'm now gonna do some stuff. I just said some fire. So yeah, now gonna wee. Let's see what I will get. Let's see what I'll get. Monster truck! Monster truck! So yeah, now I'm gonna need to spawn a monster truck. Yeah, so I'm gonna spawn a monster truck. On the cordon. I don't know. Typey. Don't do. Get it down there.
Don't follow me. Get out of here.
Whatever, I'm gonna get into the monster. I'm gonna start driving. Hello, sushi restaurant. Can you give me some sushi? Like not the other sushi. Oh. I'm so sorry. I thought about it.
Apparently you can go from 0 to a complete site in just a single prompt with Wix Harmony. I don't know if this is going to be possible. Or vibe coding.
Oh. I broke half of my vehicle. I'm gonna chase that bus. Ow. I don't know where I just went. I'm gonna spin the wheel. Let's see the wheel. I just got onion, robot plus zombie spawner. This is my onion robot and the zombies Yeah, now, yeah, gonna eat it. Oh, you see that? Cow. Yeah. Hello, Susie. No sushi today.
Don't follow
I
me.
couldn't get through this area. It's not the zombies versus me. It's me defeating the zombies. Brother. Is that zombie? I swear. Ooh, a bus. Hello, miss. I'm warning everybody. The blue sign. It means there's a zombie apocalypse. Pew, pew. Okay, time to spin the wheel. Telekinesis. Telekinesis. Pow. Not telekinesis. Ah. Ooh. The bus. No. Hello. The bus.
Don't follow me. Get out of here.
Whee! That's the bridge out of my way. Wait a minute, that gives me on. Ow! Okay, so this is the grand finale. We are doing a monster versus telekinesis.
Oh, hell no! Wait,
Oh, what the? Oh, oh. Are those lava balls supposed to be aiming for me? I think I'm now playing dodgeball. Oh.
Don't follow me. Get out of here.
What's that? Okay, so lost. Against the hardest boss to defeat, probably. Yeah, so this is the end.